Okay, that's how we get going on When the Levee Breaks by Led Zeppelin. So this has a crazy tuning. This is C, and then F, and then C, and then F, and then A, and then C. And it's a F chord is what it is. C, F, C, F, A, and C. Those are the notes of an F, like a big F bar chord. So when we play that whole thing, we have an F chord. So what we have here is Riff A is going to be, so we have kind of, you can do a variety of things here. You can do like just one note pull off on that 5th string, or you can do a double, or you can really do 3. And we can kind of include that 2nd string every now and again. So it's like pull off, da da dum. So the first part of this measure goes, okay, dee da dum ba dum. Now the second part's going to go, so da 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 dee dee, and then we're back to the dee dum dum, da 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 dee 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 dum dum. Okay, so that's our Riff A. So that's going to come out like 4 times of that. So 3 and 4 and. Okay, then the part B is going to be like, so it doesn't have the da 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 dee dee, right? So it's kind of more simple, and it's kind of good for when he starts singing, you make it a little more simple right there. And then when we get into a verse and we start repeating a form, it starts with that basic one, and then it goes to the next one. And it goes back like B A, B A, B A, A. So the 3rd time, it's going to have 2 A's, and that becomes like a verse form. Okay, so in the beginning, we had the 4 of the thing A, and then we're going to go to part B. We're going to go. Then part A has the, back to part B, simple. Part A. Part B, simple again. Part A. Part A twice. Part B. Part A. Part B. Part A. Part B. Part A. Twice. Okay, and then we're going to get into the next part. Okay, so we slide into the bottom 4 strings on the 8th fret. And then we do the 8s into 10s. And then we kind of have an open before we do this next thing. It's going to go. So bottom 4 strings, 5, 3, 5 open, 5, 3, 5 open. So it's. Okay, that first time we wait a little bit, and he's going to come in with our verse, and we're going to be back into that form. It's going to start with the B, the basic one, 3 and 4 and. Then part A, part B, part A, B, part A, part A again. Part B, A, B, A, B, A twice, and then we get that. Okay, then we have the bridge. We're going to go. Okay, so bottom 3 strings open to 12s. Open to 7, open to 5, 7s, 10s, 12s. And you can kind of use 4 strings if you want to on that. So we got 3 and 4 and. Okay, we end up doing that 6 times, and then we're back into a verse, same verse form, part C again. Okay, you got another verse, another part C. Now the next bridge is going to go. So it kind of starts with the 12s, kind of has 1 open before the 7s, same to 5s. And then you can kind of get it where they start on each new fret, like 7, 5. Okay, so that goes 6 times there, and then we're back to like B and A 4 times, just kind of back and forth on the outro. And then we have, like, we start doing the A riff a lot. At the end, you're going to kind of go 0-3. And then kind of a da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, now we got some slide parts to look at. So our slide is going to go. That was 12 on the first string, down to 10, slide into the 12 on the second, and back to the little 12. We're going to do the same thing on the 7, same thing on the 5, and then 7, 10, 12. Okay, we end up doing that like 3 times, so let's try it. 3 and 4 and. Okay, 3 times of that, and then we're gonna have a. So we did the 12 to 10 to 12. Go way into the 17 on the first string. 12, 10, 12, 10. Same thing, and then 15 twice to 17. So. Okay, then we do the part A again. A little bit later on. Do it twice, then we do the other one. Now in the very fade out, we're going to have. So 15 to 17. Kind of slow, and then 15's first string to second string twice. And do like a little slides into that if you want. Okay, when the levee breaks, crazy tuning, like I said, CF, CF, A, and C. Open F tuning. All right, 2 pages of tabs. Hope you dug that. Talk to you soon.